Hey guys, this is Mike from B Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the Bauer Content Creator Studio Kit. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today is an unboxing of something that I don't normally unbox. I usually unbox phones or Bluetooth speakers, but because I've been making more videos at home, I don't have a YouTube studio like I did a couple years back. I decided to get a new set of lights, right? And I found this Bauer kit at Walmart actually, and this was actually on clearance. I don't know if you guys of the making of this video, you might be able to check Walmart out. They had several of them at my Walmart, and this was 15 bucks with tax, guys. So 15 bucks will get you a 16-inch ring light that obviously changes colors, right? And again, excuse me, I'm like smacking my tripod over here. But you get 12 RGB colors, right? You get 7 special effect light modes. It also comes with this little tripod. And then I didn't realize, but it also comes with a green screen. I didn't think that it comes with a green screen, but it says right here, included table tripod. It comes with the stand. It comes with the green screen. It comes with the clips, and I'm definitely going to test out the green screen and check that out, guys, for you. And USB power cord. So obviously this is not connected by like a regular standard power. You have to connect it via USB. And then of course the little control, and of course great for vlogging, like videos, video chat. And the reason why I wanted it is because the lighting in my room is not great, so I wanted to kind of get this and kind of test it out for you guys and see if it's worth the 15 bucks. They do sell other sizes of ring lights at Walmart, guys. They have a 12-inch and I believe like an 18 or 20-inch light, which, I mean, I didn't need one that was super huge, right? I mean, again, I do unboxing videos of like phones most of the time on my channel. So again, let's go ahead and get this unboxed here and let's see what's inside. So again, like I said, it's going to be a different kind of unboxing here. And again, I bought this at Walmart for 15 bucks. Let's get a better picture of the back here, just so you guys can see what it looks like. You get the 12 different color rings, 7 different RGB effects. It does have that little tripod mount so that you can, mount the phone in the middle, which I'm going to actually kind of test out in this video. And then we'll go from there. So again, it does have a tripod. I already have this specific little tripod. So, I mean, I could probably give it away or something like that to a friend that needs it. I have cousins that, make videos themselves. And then, of course, the stand. So this is a different type of tripod. It's not typically a tripod I would use to make videos, but it has this. So let's go ahead and check this out really quick. And again, $15, guys. And it says it's a lightweight. I've been wanting to get a ring light for the longest time. I've been holding out because I do have other LED lights in my repertoire over here that I've been using on YouTube for the longest time, but they're kind of getting old, and it's just not something that I might want anymore. So I decided, hey, let's go ahead and swap out. You are going to need a knife to unbox this, by the way, guys, because it does have like 4 pieces of tape over here or something like that. So it's definitely going to come with a lot of stuff in here, guys. So there's the main box. I can already see the green screen, which is pretty cool. A nice little investment, considering you can probably get a green screen on Amazon for probably like around 10 bucks, probably, maybe even less. Let's see what else is in here. So that's pretty much everything that's inside the box here. Let's go ahead and put that in the back for now. Let's go ahead and check out what's in this one. I would think it's probably the main tripod or the base of the tripod, it looks like. So let's check that out, and then let's go ahead and get this one open over here. I'm going to put that to the side here. The main ring light, which is a lot bigger than I thought it would be, honestly. If I can be 100% honest with you, I thought this was going to be a little bit smaller, but it says 16-inch, so 16-inch going from here to here, obviously, and pretty cool. Of course, here's the little indicators or the little light functions that it comes with. And of course the tripod and all of the mounts and everything like that. And I'm not sure what this is for, but we'll figure it out. I'm pretty sure it's probably for the main tripod to connect it to. And let's get this going. Oh my goodness, this is interesting, by the way. I'm excited to connect it, though. I'm excited to get this set up. So again, this is not really a tutorial video, guys. I'm gonna try to set it up, and then I'm gonna show you guys the aftermath here. Okay, guys, and just to show you guys what was inside the bag here, again, you get a little tripod. This is the attachment that goes on top here, and it does come with a shutter button that you can connect via Bluetooth. I believe it does need like a little battery or something like that. I think it takes like a little C battery, but you can actually sync this up with your phone as a shutter button. Let me see, can I turn it on? Maybe, maybe not. I gotta figure that out. There's instructions on how to do that, though. I remember setting it up, not too hard. But you can sync it up. It says look underneath, phone mount plus action cam screw located on there. So again, there is a little screw thing attachment over here with that as well. So again, there is this. You know, again, it's not too bad. Again, of a little tripod. You know, it's I believe that this little top portion could be a little bit better because it's not very big as far as like holding the phones. Depends what type of phone you have, though. If you have like a really big like iPhone 14 Pro Max, or even like a phone like the Pixel 7 Pro, right, you're not gonna, it's gonna be a little bit harder to mount the phone here. And I feel like this, if I can be 100% honest, is a little bit flimsy. And you can actually mount kind of like a another attachment on top here. I believe you can mount a microphone or another light on top here. I don't know if any of those attachments came with that. I don't believe it did, but if you buy another kit, you can actually just, you know, put it in there. It's like it's kind of looks like kind of like a GoPro attachment there. So again, I'm just gonna kind of put that aside here, just to show you guys what else is in here. Here are the clips for the green screen, and I'll go ahead and get the green screen set up in a little bit. Also, if you guys need instructions, here is the instruction booklet for that. And here is the light mount itself for the actual light. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect that, and we'll see how it looks. All right, so we do have the again, the light set up already. This is what it looks like with the little tripod. As you can see there, my little heater's on the floor. I'm using wide angle mode on my my Pixel 7 Pro here. So if you guys are wondering what I'm filming on, I'm using the Pixel 7 Pro, which again, shout out to Team Pixel for sending that to me. And again, I'm going to go ahead and connect this little connection right here, which again is the little thing where you can connect your phone to and then mount it to. So again, this is very flexible, so you're able to move it up and down. So let's go ahead and get that connected. I believe you can just screw it in on the top, and it looks like it has other connections here as well, so you can screw other items in there as well. Now, of course, this is just, you know, me doing this. You know, I don't think there's a lot of ways to I guess get it to work, but like as you can see here, this is kind of loose. You can tighten it pretty tight over here, and it's kind of interesting. And then of course this also tightens this for moving like left and right. So you have like all these little screws features here so that this can kind of stay still. You know, again, this one as well. So you have like three of them that are there, right there below the head. And of course you have the cable over here. But let's go ahead and see what this looks like really quick. I'm going to try to tighten it all the way, and then let me see if I can loosen or move this. So again, the purpose is to, you know, put a phone right here, right? And let's go ahead and get this connected. Or let me see if I can plug this into something really quick, so we can kind of get an example of what this looks like. And again, you know, the wire is going to be a little bit long for obvious reasons, but it is connected via USB. So let me go ahead and connect it over here to my little connector over here, and then let's see how bright this thing is. Okay, hold on, let's see. So let's just turn it on. Okay, so right there you can kind of see that it does have like an LED mode already, and you can kind of cycle through it. You can also use, that's pretty cool. Okay, hold on, I zoomed in too far, but hold on, let me try to fix my tripod really quick. There you go. And let's go back to 1x over here. So, you know, again, I'm pressing the button on this control really quick, but again, you can change colors. And I don't know if it just will stay on a solid color there. That's kind of like a bluish color. Then you got your green. Let me see if the remote does anything actually. Let's see. So here's the actual remote for it, guys. I haven't pulled that out, but so far it's looking pretty cool. If I can be 100% honest, like I really like the way the ring light is looking. And I have so much plastic on my bed here, it's not even funny. But yeah, so like I can turn it white hopefully. Let's see, can I make it brighter? Does the controller work? I did take the thing out, so let's see. Let's press play. Can I turn it off? Okay, so I guess you kind of have to point the control at this thing, because this is the thing that has the actual like sensor for it. You can't just point it at it. But like if I want to turn it back on, I just turn it like that. So right now you're just at white. You can turn it green if I point it the correct way, hopefully. So let's see. I guess it's kind of trial and error, guys. And again, like, do I want to make it brighter, or do I want to go back to white? That's kind of like a soft white. Can I brighten it up? Let's see. And that's the thing. It's not really letting me change the color now. Okay, blue, red. I'm clicking that on the controller, and then again. But let's see, can I dim it or can I make it go down? I'm trying to make the power go up, guys. On off mode. So let's see. Nope, let's try white. So I'm trying to figure out the whole dim thing, but let's see. Let's try 180. It does, like on the controller it has like, it says 30 minutes, 60 minutes. I don't know if that means like time, like, oh, like you can turn on a timer for it or whatever, but let's just turn it off really quick. So that's pretty interesting, guys. I'm not gonna lie, like I think it's good for the price, 15 bucks. And again, if you want it to like change colors, you can. Like, I don't know how, like you can just change modes. Like, I think that looks pretty cool though, like, you know, that you can change like RGB modes to different colors here. And again, I don't know if you can see that as well as I can, right? But you can kind of see it changing colors in the background. There we go. And then there's that mode. So it does look pretty cool. You can even like turn on a strobe mode, I guess. Hopefully no one that's watching this has epilepsy. And then again, this just goes back to the colors now. So green, blue, red, and then purple. Ooh, I like that one. Like a yellowish. Okay, so, and again, I like that color. But like the dimming mode on this little control doesn't really work, or at least I'm not seeing it. Let's see. Maybe you have to hold it down or hold it up to brighten it. And that's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, do you have to hold it to brighten it? Let's see. And again, I'm pointing at this little thing right here, guys. So again, sorry it's not in the shot, but I'm trying to get it. Here we go. I'm trying to get it to dim, and it's not. But like, if I turn it off, it's gonna turn off, right? If I turn it on, there we go. The regular light's gonna work. I don't know what this play button is though. Like, okay, so I am noticing that it is dimming a little bit. So as you can see there, boom. So can I change the color now? Init dim. Let's see. I don't know if it's going to be brighter. So it's definitely changing colors when I want it to, but again, when I just want it to be like dimming, or I want to make it brighter when it's changing colors, it's not doing that. But again, if I turn it off and then I turn it back on and it's just a regular light, I do have the power to dim the light like as you guys can see. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like with me on it, I guess. How long have I been recording? 7 minutes. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I'm using the front facing camera, and again I have the remote of this little kit in my hand. And let's go ahead and turn it on here again, and let's see if you can kind of tell the difference. I do have lights on in the background, so, or I do have like 2 lights on here, but let's see if this looks better with it on. So And again, I think I have it kind of dim, but you know, again, I'm standing like maybe like 2.5 feet away from the camera here. Obviously, you can tell that this looks better with the ring light, so I can definitely tell a difference though. Like, there's not as much shadows as you would see like with my other stuff. So again, let me turn this off just so you guys can see here. So again, it's kind of, you know, again, I have my ceiling light on. It's not as vibrant, right? But again, if I turn it on, I can even dim it, right, so that it's not super saturated, right? And again, if I wanted to turn on color mode, right, can get things a little bit, you know, in the mood here. I wouldn't say in the mood, but you know, if we want to turn things blue, you know, if we want to turn things red, make things more evilish, you know what I mean? I think it's pretty cool. Like, I think it's a pretty cool thing. 10 or 15 bucks at Walmart, guys. You might be able to find it online or even cheaper. I'm pretty sure they sell kits like this on Amazon. I'm going to try to find this kit on Amazon and post the link down below for you guys, right? But, you know, again, if you guys have a local Walmart close to you, again, definitely check that out. We can go back to kind of like a whitish, right? And, you know, I have to figure this control out. I think that's probably like the weirdest thing about the control is the remote. Like, I don't really understand it that much. But again, off, right? And again, you know, it's not as hard on the eyes. And you turn it on. And again, it's a little bit dimmer, right? I can turn that on, and then now, obviously, I think it's gonna be worth the investment for the channel, guys. Let me know what you guys think, and again, smash the like button if you guys like the video. Please subscribe for the content. Again, this is just a quick unboxing and overview of the Bauer Content Creator Kit 16-inch. And again, smash the like button. Thank you again. We'll see you guys next time. Okay.